Hi, I'm Bella, one of your student content shapers, and I'm going to be giving you ideas for Christmas presents on a budget. I'm going to be showing you how to make these Christmas brownies, this nature Christmas tree, and how to make the most of your charity shops. After preheating your oven to 160 degrees, weigh out 185 grams of butter, chocolate, and break up the chocolate and put it in a small bowl with the butter and microwave for 2 minutes on high. While you're waiting for this mixture to cool, line a shallow square tin with baking paper. And then weigh out 40 grams of cocoa powder, 85 grams of plain flour, and sieve into a medium bowl, doing your best to try and get all the lumps out. Now weigh out 275 grams of the sugar of your choosing, break in 3 large eggs and whisk until it becomes this milkshake-like consistency. I then added this to my chocolate mixture and folded it in using this figure of 8 motion with both the dry ingredients and this mixture. The great thing about this recipe is that you can add in whatever you want. I chose chocolate and walnuts and folded them in a similar way to make these 2 mixtures. I then poured them into the baking tray, ready to be baked for 25 to 30 minutes. After baking, I cut them into squares and cut out this little Christmas tree stencil, ready to be decorated with icing sugar. It ended up working out really well, and I attempted to remove the stencil with a spoon and repeated it on the 3 of my choosing. I then tried this gold food spray, which didn't work out so well, as you can see. This is how I chose to package my brownies. Firstly, get out in nature and pick up some different size sticks. As you can see, these can be arranged into this cute Christmas tree shape. I then went back and forth with some green string to secure these sticks in place. You can use ribbon or wire if you don't have any string. I then did this for all of the sticks, making sure they were all secure. Now time for decorating. So I found these cute little baubles that I attached with wire, these sparkles, these pine cones, and you can also use washi tape or any other decorations. Here is the finished result, and these are 3 others that I made for inspiration. Charity shops are perfect for finding a range of presents for anyone. There are presents ranging from crochet to hot water bottles, top listed books of all ages, info on politics, loads of different types of jewellery of all kind. We're all under a £5. There were records that were in really good condition, and cute little home accessories, and this bag which was a really top brand. Whether the present you're looking for is for a pet, for yourself, or for a new room, charity shops are perfect to find this.